Alright, this is one of the elevators here at the Hilton Falls View Resort. They skip 34. Actually, they skip all levels ending in 4 for some reason here. Don't know why. Very nice elevator. Security camera. Hi. And that's about it.